I don't know how loud this is. I should have tried this before.
Is that a Thunderbeat?
Yeah.
I think it's 98 is what it was. It's either 98 or 110. I can't remember. I know it's a huge difference. But...
How much is the bench punch? Like 100 bucks?
I don't even know where to go.
Shotguns out. Oh, hey, ow. That was stupid. Yo, first hit of the day. First blood. Well, after the game, but for me.
Boom! Go, go, go!
Good shit.
That bitch is heavy!
How was it sitting there the whole
Right behind you, go, go, go. Nah, I'm good.
Hey, just move that one building on the left.
Shotgun versus LMG is not working today. There's a guy directly in front of us at that dark black window. Yeah.
That's game! That's game!
How's that? Quick peek on. Oh.
Let's go middle. Let's go middle.
way too much.
There's all of their spawns right there. They're all coming in right now. Should I move this range again?
Bro, this fucking... Bro, you... See if this works.
So they went on the other team.
Who went on the other team?
Oh, good amount of us.
What?
Too good, bro. Just like last time. Too good.
My gun is chill.
I love that. Sprint, 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 sprint.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Mag fell.
I got middle lane.
Let me know when I'm gonna cross. Now? Hello, motherfucker.
This is gonna be our LMG nest, so we're gonna need people to watch our rear.
If you do one here and then one on the opposite side, kind of cover both
I think
sides.
they're coming from that way. Well, you could have one right here. Look, it goes around here.
Yeah.
Who's a medic?
I am.
Oh, you are?
I am.
You are.
I am.
We're probably gonna need a lot of.
We're gonna be screaming like. You take a selfie?
Selfies. Everyone selfies.
We're not shotgun. We're gonna need a shotgun at the main gate.
That's why I'm a medic, because I can't really do too much.
Just keep your head down and.
Yeah, drum mag for that, bro.
No, what I need is an HPA system set up for this. I'm already like, yeah, this gas thing's gonna get annoying.
Next time I come over, I'll bring the shotgun. That one's HPA.
Alright, we cannot be together.
Yeah, drum mag, but it doesn't work on mine. It's kind of like.
Yo,
You're right. She's left.
We can't be together.
you're that side, I'm this side. Cool.
If we were together and we agreed.
Yeah, no, totally makes sense.
3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Oh, they're far back. All the way back.
That's me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks. 10.
I don't know if I got hit or not, but I'll say.
Yeah, I'll medic it. I got you.
Yeah, well,
10 seconds?
10.
Go! The person from town! Let's run! Ed, do my backstop.
man, I want Hey, you okay? Oh, medic. What is behind you? Oh, shit.
Right in the nose, bro.
Doing good? Yeah, doing great.
Like that. Comforting you.
You're back in, but I don't want to leave.
Don't go, man.
Oh, shit, back.
Damn. What?
Goddamn for it.
Oh, my own knees down.
Oh my god.
Far back!
Back in, watch stay. Hey bud, how's it going?
What do you got?
Alright, I'm gonna need you to cover me. I'm gonna have to cross.
Alright, I can provide you for like my gun's fucking up.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Not me over there.
Ow, we got a medic on that side.
I didn't even see it. I'm so sorry, man.
I thought it was you. I'd be willing to go.
Oh, I'm so sorry, okay. Alright, I can cover you back across.
Ah, you're fine.
3, 2, 1, go. Everyone put their hands together. Daisy train? Daisy train.
1, 2,
How many?
3,
10? I got shot in my back of my head. So.
Bless you, my son.
Thank you.
Oh shit. Alright, I'm out. I'm out.
You're dead. You can't talk.
No, I'm up. I'll hold them on.
I'm pretty sure.
I'll get you up.
The rule is you get back no matter what after me.
Yeah. So I could have had a cool clip of like John Wick and 4 people, but. Ooh!
That was a good hold, you guys.
Was that in like something? As long as it wasn't in water, you're fine.
You guys are good. Shit.
I'm trying to do like all things at once.
You need a sling, boy.
We were like fucking cheering you on in the other corner.
True.
I ran out of ammo.
That's like the best weapon to have, like in a last.
Shoot the shotgun, bro. I'll go right behind you. Start up here.
Jake, I'm gonna do it on my own.
Alright, wherever our LMG's at.
Hello.
Alright, hi. So you two, if one of y'all could take like right where that tire is, and then if one of y'all could go like over that way a little bit and kind of just like crossfire them in the front, that'd be perfect. If you guys could just lay down and just do burst fire and just keep their heads down, solid.
Where you wanna go?
Yeah, just
Should we go like that way? I'm gonna split up, so we're gonna get more.
I want you guys to split up. That way we kind of have like a cross coverage fire. So whoever wants to take it, try to get like up to this mound here and try to stay behind the bushes. So if they're shooting at you, they're kind of hitting the trees instead of, just try and find somewhere around here. And then someone else, if you could go over that way and try to find somewhere over there that's like clear, but still has your good coverage.
Mary, you wanna come with me over that way? Do you have just the pistol? Oh, never mind.
Is there a way for you to finagle your way up into that tower?
I'll suppress right here, and I want them to rush up. I'm waiting for my friend to get back because he has a grenade, and he has a grenade too. Okay. So I'm gonna wait for a hard push.
I wish I had a smoke grenade, guys. Money's tight this week.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, when is it not, bro?
Well, yeah. Go, 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 kids, go, go, kids, go. Go. Whew. Oh, hit. So I have a question for you. So do you actually have gear in these, or did you just like pack them with tissue paper?
Yeah, he has actual gear in him.
Dope.
Rangefinder, mask, compass, face paint.
Why do you have to?
Ooh.
Yeah, it has a whole bunch of med supplies in his bag.
You cool, you getting that too? Some condoms.
Yeah.
I got
I used to carry that bag around.
I got a speed loader and a pocket knife.
All you need for airsoft, bro.
Melee in case you run out of ammo.
Yeah.
Hey, you four will be my special team. At any time, if it gets one-sided, I'll just tell you guys to switch back over.
Special teams, special plays, special players.
Okay.
It's probably gonna get one-sided.
Four of you motherfuckers on one side. Jesus Christ. They only had like 16. Yes.
That wouldn't have felt good. Let's just shoot 3.
No, I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready. Real quick. Yes.
Seems like they all went right or center.
Yeah, they all saw us, and then now they're all pushing right, and they're all hanging back in the spawn, which is like kind of the typical here.
Yeah.
You're getting bored.
They're gonna switch us.
Back.
Yeah.
Yo, there's crap back there.
Yeah, they're gonna switch us. Yeah.
Hey, Brian. Brian, Alec, not Alec.
Him.
Jackson. Switching. Switching.
Hey. What? Hey, don't shoot the ref. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy.
Oh, the shotgun! Oh! Hey, it's better than what I was gonna do.
Max out, guys.